Welcome to the myprojectbazaar.com. This is a project title, Future-Based Opinion Mining Through Ontologies. This is the abstract of our project. The idiosyncrasy of the web has, in the last few years, have been altered by Web 2.0 technologies and applications and the advent of the so-called social web. Even the current web size and growth rate, automated techniques are essential if practical and scalable solutions are to be obtained. Opinion mining is a highly active research field which comprises natural language processing, computational linguistics, and text analysis techniques with the aim of extracting various kinds of added value informational elements from user opinions. In this paper, we propose an innovative opinion mining methodology that takes advantage of new semantic web-guided solutions to enhance the results obtained with traditional natural language processing techniques and sentiment analysis process. The main goals of the proposed methodologies are to improve feature-based opinion mining by using ontologies at the feature selection stage and to provide a new vector analysis-based method for sentiment analysis. This is a flow diagram of our process. We just first enter into the process. We load the data. Here the data is nothing but the review information. The review is for the phone and the camera information. After loading the review information, we are going to perform the POS tagging process. It is one of the POS tagger just to tag each and every information present in our data set. After that, we are going to perform the feature extraction process. In the feature extraction process, it just extracts the features. It extracts all the features from the data set, that is from the review information. After the feature extraction process, the term frequency calculation takes place. In the term frequency calculation is nothing but based on the number of occurrences of each and every word present in our data set and total number of other words present in our data set. Then we are going to evaluate the inverse document frequency. In the inverse document frequency, it is nothing but the vice versa of the term frequency calculations. Afterwards, we are going to evaluate the sentence polarity. The polarity measure is nothing but whether it shows a particular word is a positive word or a negative word. Finally, after identification of the polarity, we are going to build the ontology using the information and reviews present in our data set. Finally, we construct the polarity estimation whether the given review is a positive one or a negative one. Let us see the demo of our process. First of all, open the NetBeans. In your NetBeans, this opinion process is our process. In that, first right-click homepage.java. This is our home page. Then we enter into our process. Then we browse the data. We select the data set. Then open. Then data loading process. Loading successfully. Then tagging process takes place. Performs the tagging. This is the original information. This is the tagged results. After that, we are going to perform the extraction process. In the extraction process, we extract the features present in our data set. These are all the features present in our selected data set. After that, we are going to perform the word count. It counts each and every word present in our each and every data set. Ensures finally the total counts also. Then we evaluate the term frequency. Term frequency, it shows the occurrence of each and every word. This is the term frequency of each and every word. Then opinion strength calculation. In this opinion strength process, it evaluates whether the given review is a positive one or a negative one. Based on that, it provides some values. Positive one means it provides 1 and negative one means it provides 0. Based on that, it provides some formulas to evaluate the opinion strength calculation. Here we perform the opinion strength calculation. After the opinion strength calculation, it shows the results. It first shows the word, then positive opinion strength, then negative opinion strength. These two values are evaluated based on the we provide the input the R word to the Werner tool. In the Werner tool, it identifies whether the given word is a positive one or a negative one, how much positive values are related to that. Finally, it evaluates the score for each and every word and shows the results. Then click next. Then it evaluates the inverse document frequency. It evaluates the inverse document frequency for the each and every word present in our data set. Then next. Then degree calculation takes place. In this degree calculations, this calculation is fully based on the degree of the adverbs. Whether the given word comes under the first category, whether it is a good or best one, or it comes under second category, whether it is a better one, or it comes under the third category, where it is a worst, etc. Likewise, it categorizes each and every word. Based on the categorization, it provides the degree to the each and every words. It shows the results. So it provides the in degree calculation and values for each and every word. Click next. Then we are going to evaluate the polarity. The polarity is nothing but whether the given word is a positive one or a negative one. The polarity calculation takes place. The polarity calculation is a combination of opinion strength, inverse document frequency. Finally, it shows the polarity of each and every value. This polarity is fully evaluated based on providing the word as a input to the Werner. After evaluating number of the positive terms related to our input, finally it shows the scores of the each and every word. Then next. Then the score calculation takes place. The score calculation, it evaluates the score of the each and every word, each and every future. It evaluates the score for each and every future and show the ratings. Then finally we perform the ontology process. In the ontology process, we just select our input data set, then create ontology created successfully, then view the ontology. This ontology is nothing but the structured representation of our data. In the structured representation, it shows the name of the product and what are the features present in a product, and it finally shows the scores of the product. Likewise, we can able to view the different features of our different data set. We can able to view for camera information and can able to view the for phone information also. Finally, it shows the rating in the form of the star, whether the rating provided for this feature is a 3 or 4 or 5. We can able to see any one. Based on the selected feature, it shows the result. Finally, it shows the rating of the each and every feature. That is, here we provide the opinion results based on the features and we analyze the results through ontologies. This is our final output. Thank you.